Hello, we are the English Effect. Welcome to Unlocking Your Phone's English Potential. Have you ever scrolled through your phone and wondered, how do I actually talk about all these apps in English? Today, we're unlocking the key vocabulary you need to sound savvy and confident. In the next 6 minutes, we'll master 10 essential trending words. Let's dive in. We'll look at 3 areas: how apps work, how they make money, and how they keep us engaged. First, how apps work. Word 1 is interface. Interface means the way you interact with an app, its design, and how it feels to use. For example, I love this app. The interface is so clean and easy to use. A good interface is intuitive. You just know how to use it. Next up is to customize. This means to change settings or appearances to fit your personal preference. In a sentence, you can customize your home screen with different widgets and themes. Notice the spelling, customize. It's all about making it yours. I've customized my fitness app to show my favorite workouts first. Word 3 is to sync, short for synchronization. To sync means to update data across all your devices automatically. For example, my notes sync between my phone and laptop, so I always have them. If a photo you take on your phone appears on your tablet, it has synced. Make sure your photos are syncing to the cloud. Now, let's look at the business side. How do these apps make money? Word 4 is freemium. This is a model for an app that is free, but where you pay for extra premium features. You could say many language apps use a freemium model. The basics are free, but you subscribe for advanced lessons. It's a mix of free and premium. Spotify and Duolingo are famous examples. Word 5 is subscription model. With this model, you pay a regular fee, monthly or yearly, to access a service. For example, I prefer the subscription model to watching ads. I pay a small fee each month for no interruptions. Netflix uses this. You don't own the content, you rent access to it. I canceled my subscription because I wasn't using it. Word 6 is in-app purchase. This is when you buy something inside the app, like extra lives, coins, or filters. In a sentence, the game is free, but it encourages you to make in-app purchases to progress faster. It's an important phrase. Parents often say, disable in-app purchases on your child's tablet. Finally, let's talk about how apps keep us engaged. Word 7 is feed. This is the endless updating stream of content on a social app. For example, I spent an hour just scrolling through my Instagram feed. It's like a river of content designed to keep you engaged. Word 8 is algorithm. This is a set of rules that decides what content an app shows you. You might say, the algorithm on YouTube always recommends perfect videos for me. This is the brain behind your feed. The algorithm knows I love cooking videos. Word 9 is to go viral. This is when content spreads extremely quickly to millions of people online. In a sentence, her funny dance video went viral overnight, getting millions of views. Like a virus, it spreads fast. They're hoping their new post will go viral. And our final word, number 10, is engagement. This is how users interact with content through likes, comments, and shares. For example, the post had high engagement with thousands of comments and shares. Creators always talk about this. How can I increase engagement on my videos? And there we have it, 10 powerful words to level up your app vocabulary. Let's do a super quick review. We talked about interface, customize, and sync for how apps work, freemium, subscription model, and in-app purchase for business, and feed, algorithm, go viral, and engagement for social media. And now, your mission: choose one app on your phone and describe it using at least 2 of these words in the comments below. For example, I use Spotify. It has a great interface, and I use the subscription model to avoid ads. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this useful, please give this video a thumbs up to boost its engagement and subscribe to the English Effect for more practical lessons. See you in the next one.